In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, new guidelines at institutions including Islamia College Peshawar has restricted direct office meeting between female students and male teachers. Under the new directive, female students are no longer allowed to hold one-on-one meetings with male faculty members in private offices. Department has been instructed to appoint female faculty members to handle academic and administrative matters concerning female students. Authority says the purpose is to reduce harassment risk and strengthen campus safety mechanism. However, it is urged that universities functions on open academic engagement, mentorship, thesis supervision, academic counseling, and limiting direct interaction may create practical hurdles. The move has sparked wider debate about whether structured safeguards are being replaced with strict gender separation. The question is now clear: is this about safety or is it reshaping the educational culture of the province? Live reporting from GPO Chowk, main cantonment Lahore, and here some of the people have gathered and assembled to ask for PTI's founder, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's founder, released from jail in the context that apparently, according to the new medical reports, he has lost 85% of his vision from one eye. And under this particular context, some of the people, some of the PTI workers, along with lawyers, have assembled here near the GPO Chowk, where the enforcement and executive agencies are also here to bar them, to jam the traffic, or to make some sort of violence in this assemblage or in this gathering. Besides that, they are hooting and they are constantly and recurringly asking for the freedom, for the escapism of their founder from the Adiala jail, who has apparently, according to the new medical reports, lost his 85% of vision in one eye.
लेकिन हमारा असल मुद्दा जो है इमरान खान साहब की सेहत है, जिसकी वजह से हम यहाँ पे खड़े, और हमें तशवीश है कि उनकी जो आंख जो जाया, वो कह रहे हैं कि 25% 15% है, ये गवर्नमेंट की नेग्लिजेंसी है, ये उनकी वजह से उनकी आंख खराब हुई है और इन्होंने लेट बताया हमें। तो ये हमारा पुरअमन प्रोटेस्ट हमने रिकॉर्ड करवाया और हम बैठे हैं इंशाल्लाह ताला, और बैठे रहेंगे।
जो आइन हमारा कहता है कि जो प्रिजनर हैं उनको मेडिकल फैसिलिटी वो मिलनी चाहिए, हम उसी के लिए निकले हैं, रूल ऑफ लॉ के लिए, कि कानून के मुताबिक जो खान साहब को तिब्बी इमदाद दी जा सकती है वो देनी चाहिए। अब ये लोग ऐसा नहीं कर रहे, ये आइन की खिलाफ वर्जी कर रहे हैं।